Today I'm going to show you how to bypass FRP lock on any Samsung device. What's up guys, this is Mehran and in this video we're going to talk about how to bypass Google account verification after reset on Samsung devices. Usually we face the factory reset protection when we buy a second-hand phone but don't know the linked Google account information, or when we try to reset our phone but we have forgot our own Google account passcode. So in this situation, DroidKit is one of the best applications to unlock or bypass your smartphone. You can easily and instantly bypass the FRP lock on your Samsung phone by yourself. DroidKit supports removing Google account from all Samsung devices running from Android 6 to Android 12. So without wasting any time, now I'm going to show you step-by-step process. So first of all, you need to download DroidKit on your PC. Link is available in the description. You can download from there. Once the download is done, install it on your PC. After installing, this is how the main interface of DroidKit look like. DroidKit has many features like you can bypass your passcode, phone recovery, and even you can recover your important WhatsApp data recovery from SD card, and many more. As you can see, all these features which DroidKit is offering. But right now we need to bypass FRP lock, so let's click on that and now connect your Samsung phone to the PC. Once the phone is connected, click on start button. Now this will take few minutes. Just keep in mind, don't unplug your phone which is connected to the PC. Once the configuration file is prepared, click on start to bypass. Now at this point you have to be very careful. These are very simple steps, but you are not supposed to make any mistake. If your device is with home button, then follow these steps, but if your device has Bixby button as well, then follow these steps. After starting your phone, click on next. Select your Android version. For example, if my phone is running on Android 8, I will go with this one. Now follow the given instructions on your PC. At this point, connect your phone to the Wi-Fi network. Make sure the Wi-Fi is working. Click on send notifications. Now you are almost done. You will receive notifications on your phone. Follow these instructions accordingly. Download APK file and install it on your phone. Now go to this link on your phone, iMovie.link/DroidKit-FMD. Now open setting, find my phone and deactivate this option. Now you have to disable Play Store, which is very easy to do. You can disable that through these steps. After disabling the Google Play Store, just press power button to reboot your device. After that, FRP bypass will start, and now you have almost bypassed the FRP lock on your Samsung phone. Once you see the bypass completed, unplug your Android phone from PC, and now you can use your Android phone once again just like before. You can log in with new email in Play Store and enjoy all the Play Store features. I will highly recommend DroidKit, not for bypass FRP lock and bypass passcode, but it's also recommended for recovering your phone data or WhatsApp data. The best thing is that it's compatible with Mac and Windows both. Also, DroidKit has more than 1 million satisfied users because this is the most trusted application for data recovery from any Android phone, unlock FRP lock, and data recovery from WhatsApp. Black Friday sale is also live, so make sure to avail this offer. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions regarding this application. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.